I stand on the 32nd Street in DHA Phase 8, which is supposed to be a posh area, but this won't look like the road which used to be there prior to 7/26, before a 300 kg bomb blast rocked the house of SSP CID Chaudhry Aslam Khan. Now you can see the whole house that has been damaged and ripped apart by the blast that has not only shaken this house but also the neighborhood. Like, if you can see inside this house, you can see the wall ceilings and the whole destruction that this 300 kgs of explosion has done. Now a car filled with explosives did hit the gate of SSP CID at around 7:26, and this is what it has caused. Now if you can see that generator, you can understand that a 50 kVA generator has been moved like it used to be an empty box by the blast. So this gives you an idea to the intensity of this blast. Now if we start moving on to the neighbors of Chaudhry Aslam Khan, who have also suffered many damages as a result of this blast, you can see that the two cars of these neighbors have totally been buried underneath the rubble of the house, and this house has suffered, this is the second house which has suffered most damages as far as if we talk about the damages. This, if you can see, even the people are inside trying to clear up all the debris that they have. Now if you see over here, if our cameraman could show you, they are packing up their goods and they are shifting somewhere else, as this house is no longer livable. You can see very evident cracks on the walls of this house underneath the split outer, that there are very evident cracks, and now this house is no longer livable. It will have to be demolished and to be rebuilt again. Now this is supposed to be the most hardest part of a house, that is supposed to be a pillar, and you can see that as I even touch the pillar, the rubble and the concrete is slowly and gradually coming out, and this is the result that this 300 kgs of blast has done. Now even the motorbikes, you can see this condition of this motorbike. There is nothing left in this motorbike. The car which actually hit this house is right now, no one can identify what kind of a car it was. According to DIG South, it was a double cabin, but again it's a question, as if you can see those CCTV cameras, that CCTV cameras have been damaged, and so have the data that was being stored inside this house, which right now seems to be a house maybe in Libya where it is a war zone, or maybe in Afghanistan when it was being attacked by NATO and US forces. But this is not Afghanistan, this is Karachi, where this house have been targeted by Tehreek-e-Taliban terrorists, according to SSP CID Aslam Khan. Now Aslam Khan and his family were lucky enough that they were in the corner room of this house and they were safe. SSP Aslam Khan believes that he will be able to arrest those who are behind this and who actually have caused such a big crater to be formed, about 8 to 10 feet deep and about 20 feet wide crater that has been formed right outside the threshold of his gate when this car did hit. And this is supposed to be a residential area. Now there are many schools in nearby which also have been damages. We have confirmed reports that a school child has been killed, whereas her mother, who was also a teacher, has been a victim to this blast. Many police officials, that so far the figures coming up to 6 police officials, have been martyred as a result of this blast, and they were taken out from underneath this rubble that, as you see, they were buried under this rubble, and these six police officials were taken out from this rubble. These police officials were present to protect Chaudhry Aslam Khan, who have been under threat for the past many years due to his operations and the arrest that he has made for against Tehreek-e-Taliban, Lashkar-e-Jangvi and other militant outfits.